When is the best time to buy Kaspa Cash? People been asking me all the time, when will you buy Kaspa Cash? In this video, we're gonna share with you the best strategy to know when is a good time to buy Kaspa and not risking all your capital, okay? First of all, let's talk on the current price action, okay? We are in a downtrend. You just got a death cross, okay? Kaspa just had a death cross. This is bearish. You're going down, making lower highs and lower lows. People need to stop listening to these Twitter accounts telling you to buy Kaspa and buy the dip and buy. Man, this is not the right time and this is not a good strategy. You're going to lose all your money. You don't want to lose all your money while investing into a coin which is going down, okay? I will show you what you need to look for. First of all, you get a death cross, okay? It's now in a downtrend. As long as it's below this falling downtrend, don't buy it. If it breaks the downtrend, consider buying, okay? Consider buying if it breaks the downtrend. And again, if you buy, do not ape in with all your capital. No, buy little bit by little bit, because you might be wrong. It might break the uptrend and then fail and come down and make a lower low, okay? And continue lower, because everything is moving up and down as well with Bitcoin. Always keep an eye on Bitcoin when investing on Kaspa, okay? So I'll show you the best strategy, okay? If you look on Kaspa, go on the weekly chart, okay? You know, everybody that buy Kaspa, usually they are investors. They're looking to hold for multi-month, multi-years maybe. So look, you want to look for some kind of a base on the weekly chart, okay? What is the base? Minimum 4 weeks of sideways price action, okay? Here you had 4 weeks, you had actually more, you had like 4 or 5 weeks here sideways price action, and then a move up and a break of a downtrend. Boom, that was a buy. That was a good buy. Amazing buy, okay? Here you had a sideways range. Boom, buy the breakout of the trend. Boom, amazing buy, okay? But again, this is, if you gotta take profit as well on the pumps, okay? Always take some profit, because you can see coming back down. Now, again, now the more longer the base, the better, okay? If you're gonna get now a leg down and then a sideways for many weeks, maybe a couple of bumps, this will be the best time to invest, okay? This was another base here. 3-4 weeks after a decline, a big decline here on Kaspa, boom, that was amazing time to buy Kaspa, okay? This was amazing time to buy Kaspa. You can see here. Look at that. Look at this sideways, man. Beautiful. This is where you want to buy as an investor. As an investor, don't look for the best price. Okay? Obviously, it's amazing to buy on the best price, but it's not always possible. Look for the best sideways range, the tightest price action, and then you buy, and then, okay. Now, this was the best base in Kaspa history. Okay, obviously you had here, but no one knew about it. Okay, that was pretty much before it was listed on Nexi, so it's not really relevant. Same here. This was the best base right here. Okay, now this is what you want to watch for before you invest in Kaspa. Okay, before you invest in Kaspa, let's look on log scale. You want sideways range. Write it down, man. Write it down for minimum 4 weeks, and then you throw some capital into Kaspa and BCA. If it goes lower, you wait for another time to base out for minimum 4 weeks, 3 weeks. You throw another capital. Again, the bigger the base, the better. Okay, this is one way you can do it with the price action, and you can also blend it with a stochastic RSI on the weekly. Okay, so at the moment, you can see here, you had your sideways range, breakout, buy signal. Sideways range here, breakout, buy signal. Sideways here, breakout, buy signal, sideways range, breakout, sideways range, breakout. You get my point. Now, look what happened. That's why Kaspa is a bit shady now, a bit fishy, because you had a move here, you had a little consolidation, you had a move here of momentum, but that was a fake out, okay? Now, how to identify as well if Kaspa is in a bull run or in a bear run, okay, in a bearish phase or in a bullish phase. Very important. Before investing, you want to know, are you buying with the trend or are you buying against the trend? Okay, you want to watch, first of all, the best really is the daily chart with the moving averages. If the price is below the 50 and the 200-day MA, beware, beware, beware. You want to see the price breaking above this moving average, whether it's going to happen from here or whether the market will go down more and more and more and more, and then will base out and then will bump, okay, just like many did, okay. Like, I'll show you an example. You want to look for bases. How an example was amazing base. Okay, I'll show you a bigger chart here. I think it was, let me show you big chart on Tau. All right, look, Tau, that was your base. Okay, let me go normal scale again. Okay, see, it broke below the moving averages here. It was bearish, 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 bearish. Then it went sideways here, sideways, 3 months sideways. Okay, that was your base. You broke, boom, that was your entry. Or if you know you are like, you know, big kahunas, you've been buying at the lows if you want. But you know, this is an example of a base after a decline. Okay, so after a decline, always wait for a base, man. Really, if you invest anything in crypto, make sure you always, you know, have a strategy, because if you will not have a strategy, you will get yourself wrecked. Because if you now put all your money, let's say you have now 100K now, let's say you have your 100K, you go all in on Kaspa. We have many of these people, many of these people, man. I had members that been doing like that. I told them, dump them all and save their life, really. If you throw 100K now, you know, in a couple of months, maybe it's going to be 50K, you know, it's going to go down. Who knows? You want to wait for a base, and then you throw, let's say, 10K or 20K, and you wait. It goes up, boom, you can add more on the pullback or on the higher lows, but don't go all in without confirmation of a bull run for Kaspa Kas. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We're going to tell you exactly when it's flipping bullish on the macro and on the short term and on the mid-term picture. I'm going to tell you when it's a good time to buy. Make sure to subscribe, click the bell, leave a comment. See you in the next video. If you want to join our community, by the way, link below. See you in the next video. Cheers.